guys, it's your girl Ayn, and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence every Mondays at 6 p.m. For today's video, I'm doing my skincare routine for 2020. I'm gonna walk you through my daytime and nighttime skincare routine so you guys can stop asking me. So for real though, I don't usually switch up my skincare routine, which is why I haven't updated anything since the last time I uploaded. But because of the quarantine, I stopped having access to some of them. And so during this period, I was able to experiment and try out other products. And for today, I'm going to share them with you. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can get updated every time I post a video. All right, without further ado, shall we begin? We shall. So first things first, let's start with my cleanser. So what I've been using is the Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser from Lana PH. This is what I use for both daytime and nighttime because number one, I can't really be bothered to keep switching cleansers. Number two, I only use my exfoliating cleanser, which is from St. Ives, only around once a week. But other than that, this is what I use. It's very mild, it's very gentle on my skin. It doesn't have a scent. So next step is for my toner. I use a toner both during daytime and nighttime. And what I use is Neutrogena's alcohol-free toner. Now what I do is I fill my spray bottle, which is a toner that I've used in the past, and because I have no use for the spray bottle, I just refill it with the Neutrogena one because I prefer to spritz the toner onto my hands before patting it onto my face because I just feel like it's kind of wasteful to keep using cotton for my toner. And yeah, I just like it that way. It feels very gentle when I pat it on, and it's just a really efficient way, I think, of putting on toner. So that's what I do. So let's go to my third step, which is still the same for daytime and nighttime, and this is the Lana PH DNA Repair Elixir. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this one, I've been seeing it a lot on my Facebook ads, and when I started working with Riza for our podcast, Camp Confidence, if you want to check it out on Spotify. So Riza is actually the founder and CEO of Lana PH, and when we started talking about it and I started getting to know more about her skincare line, I was like, okay, it's time to purchase it. But the funny thing is, it wasn't actually me who purchased the Lana skincare stuff. It was my mom, because she saw it on a Facebook ad and she told me, okay, can we try this? And I was like, yes, of course. And we did. And I've been loving it so much. So it's like an extra step. Before, I used to just go from toner to moisturizer, but now I have an extra serum. So it's an all-powerful and natural cell repair serum that deeply hydrates, tightens, brightens, and repairs your skin from the effects of pollution. Well, so the next step is, this is where my daytime and nighttime routines differ, because during the daytime, I use my Celatec Hydration Facial Moisturizer, which I've been using for a long time. This is my absolute go-to. Number one, it's very light, it doesn't feel sticky, and it doesn't feel oily like most moisturizers. This is water-based and oil-free, which I think is why it's so good. I've also heard the Nerdy Derma on Twitter recommend this, so yeah, highly recommend. This is perfect, especially for Philippine weather. If it's tropical where you are, or if it's hot, it doesn't matter. You won't feel sticky at all. This is the way to go. Now for my nighttime routine, what I use after my serum is another thing that I learned from Lana, from Riza. This is 100% pure argan oil from Lana PH. So I remember if you've seen my last skincare video, that was in Spain, I believe, and because the weather was so dry, I had to use beauty oil, not just for my nighttime routine, but also for my daytime routine. But since moving back, I haven't used beauty oil or any kind of oil for my face. But when I tried using it like a couple of weeks ago, I have noticed that I missed it so much. Also, my skin missed it so much because it just leaves me that supple glow, especially when I wake up in the morning after a full night of using argan oil. That's just me. It personally really makes a difference for my skin. My skin, by the way, is combination, so I have really oily skin in the T-zone. Tama ba? Yeah. And then everywhere else, like here, sometimes I'm a little dry. So that's definitely helped me. So after moisturizing my face, what I do in the mornings is, of course, I wear sunblock. Now, the sunblock that I use is also from Lana. As you guys can see, medyo nag-enjoy ako sa pag-shopping. So this is from Lana PH, the Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. It has SPF 80 and it's water resistant. Also, a very important thing to note for morenas out there, this has no white cast. And to me, that's very important because a lot of the sunblocks that I've seen in the market, you know, in Watson's, parang everything has whitening. And to be frank, I don't like it. I don't like anything that has whitening just because I don't trust it. I like to keep my skin glowing and brown and morena, so I like to go with a sunblock that doesn't change my skin. Also, it's pretty affordable too. Look, I'm gonna put the price here so you guys can see. So at night, I don't have a following step for my skin. It's pretty much done after the argan oil. But what I do is I've been starting to use the Lana Lash and Brow Growth Serum. I remember using lash and brow serums before, but I just kind of fell off the habit, and so I've decided to start doing it. I haven't obviously seen results because I started like 2 weeks ago, so there's not much to show you guys, but hopefully I've been applying it on my eyebrows and my lashes, but hopefully things work out because I really want to get like thicker eyebrows. It's not really a priority or anything, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. One more thing, sorry, I forgot about the sunblock. It also works as a primer. So before I put on my makeup, if you guys want to have a tutorial for this makeup look, by the way, let me know in the comments because I want to give you guys what you want. Yeah, after that, I just moisturize my lips for both evening and night. I use Vaseline's Lip Therapy and aloe vera. What else? Okay, so I have a little basket over here of all the things that I use for my skincare stuff and pretty much just my nighttime and daytime routine. So I just want to share a couple of things outside of my skincare routine. Another product that I've been using is Dove Refresh Care in dry shampoo in fresh coconut. Now, I've been really loving this because I don't like washing my hair all the time and shampooing my hair every day. So what I do is I do it every other day. Now, what I like about this is that when I wake up and my hair feels oily, I just spritz a little bit here, and then massage it onto my scalp, and it feels brand new. It feels like I've washed my hair. So I think it just keeps my hair a little healthier because I'm not putting it through so much washing. And another thing that I just wanted to share, not necessarily part of my skincare routine, this is the Zara Gardenia perfume or cologne, I don't know. Eau de parfum. Okay, so this is a perfume that I use. I know that we don't really go anywhere nowadays, but to me, in the mornings when I feel like looking like my best self and being my best self and going to work from home, spritzing a little bit makes me feel like, okay, I'm ready to take on the day. I'm fresh, I'm professional, I'm ready, and I'm going to rock this. Okay, so anyway, that's it for my skincare routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you have any requests for videos in the future in the comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, by the way, if you want more videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to stay confident. Bye!
Hey, no. No.